Let's start setting up your saxophone, beginning with the mouthpiece. A good mouthpiece setup is the first step to getting a great sax sound. One of the most important parts of this setup is the reed, because without it, your saxophone wouldn't make a sound. Reeds come in a variety of different materials, strengths, and sizes, but they all work in the same way. When you blow into the mouthpiece, the reed vibrates and creates sound through the saxophone. If your reed isn't in the right position, playing the saxophone can feel harder and your sound might not be as clear. Getting it in the right position and secured with the ligature helps everything feel easier and sound better. We'll use 3 simple steps to get it right: prep, position, and secure. Step 1. Prepare. Carefully remove your reed from its plastic case or wrapper. Lightly moisten the thin, unmarked side with your tongue. This loosens the fibers and makes it easier to play. Step 2. Position. Remove the mouthpiece cap and ligature, setting them aside. Place your reed against the flat part of the mouthpiece, ensuring it lies on top rather than inside. Line up the tip of the reed with the end of the mouthpiece so that they're in line, not over or above. Step 3. Secure. Hold the reed in place and gently slide the ligature over the mouthpiece and reed. The screws should sit on the right-hand side. Some ligatures have screws underneath, others on top. Both are fine. Just make sure they're on the right. Gently tighten the screws to secure your reed in place. Great job setting up your mouthpiece. Let's move on to your embouchure.